Good morning, students. So let's start today's topic, that is a integrated rate equation. Integrated rate equation for first order reaction. It is same only as we have done in a zero order reaction. Then what to do there? Let's see. Let it be one simple general reaction we have written there. Then after that, beta, at T is equal to 0, then A will be equal to A naught initial concentration and B will be 0. But at particular time T, as you know very well, now let it be reactant is A and product is B. Okay, then after that, beta, then after that we can make a two equation as we have made previously. Rate is equal to, what we can write, minus dA upon dt. Let it be, this is number 1. And same way we can also write rate is equal to K into A raised to power 1. This is number 2. Clear? Now what to do there? From these 1 and 2, from these 1 and 2, and whenever we are talking about these one, see all of you, from 1 and 2, so what to write over there? See, so we are getting over there minus of dA by dt is equal to Ka raised to power 1. Okay beta, after that bache, we have to take a integration on both sides. Then we have to put the limits also. What to do there beta? We have to put limit also, and here limits will be, okay, what will be the limits here beta? Downside here it is A naught, upside is A, and here downside 0, upside is T. Okay, after that beta, as we know very well that integration of 1 by x can be equal to natural log of x. Same way, integration of dx will be equal to x, as you know very well. Okay, so same rule we have to apply over here. So when we are having a this one beta, minus of dA upon A equal to K into dt 0t, तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? This one will become natural log of A. What it will become beta? Natural log of A, and we have to mention limit over there also beta. क्या थी? A naught and A. So here also you can write A naught A, and ये क्या बन जाएगा? That one will become equal to K into T, then 0 and the T. Is that clear? Then after that beta, it's very easy. So after that, when we are writing like this way, then we can put the limits into that, and when we are putting the limits into that, okay, then it will become natural log of A minus of natural log of A naught, then that is equal to KT. बेटा इसमें लिमिट पुट करोगे, it will remain same. Now take this minus inside, and when you taking minus inside, क्या बन जाएगा? Natural log of A naught minus of natural log of Yeah, natural log of A, is that clear, is equal to kt. Now log of natural log of m minus natural log of n will be equal to natural log of m by n. Clear? तो सेम वे वी हैव राइट ओवर देयर टू मेक द फॉर्मूला. ठीक है बेटा, क्या बन जाएगा ये आपके पास फिर के टी इज इक्वल टू नेचुरल लॉग ऑफ ए नॉट अपॉन ए. ओके, देन नेचुरल लॉग ऑफ एक्स is equal to 2.303 log of x. Therefore, what to write over there? So we will write k is equal to 2.303 upon t log of a naught upon a. I hope you have understood, all of you, this one. Okay, so student, this is our final expression for the rate of reaction, integrated rate of reaction for the first order reaction. I hope you are understanding my point. In the next video we will do some important points. Okay, I hope you are getting my point better. Thank you very much.